Hello, today we are going to study a little bit of adjectives. Adjectives are very important words. We use it every day. Then, what are these words? Adjectives are words that describe qualities or defects, just like small business, a pink ball, a heavy luggage. Then, let's see how are they. Then adjectives can be colors like pink, brown, black, yellow. They can be numbers like 1, 2, 3, first, second, third. Remember, we use numbers to tell how many and also to make order. Then appearance traits like attractive, fit, skinny. Personal traits like brave, uptight, nice. And in colors, how can we use them? Well, first, we normally use an adjective with the verb to be to describe a state of being. Like this one, the car is black. And the second one we have, she has a white dog, just like in the image. And numbers to tell how many objects we have or to tell order. There in the first one, there is one car number. She's in first grade. Then to organize. Then they can be appearance traits like attractive, fit, or skinny, like we said before. Like in this one, she is tall. The ugly dog swims. Oh my goodness, I forgot a C in dog. In this one, we need a C. Then personality traits. Brave, nice, like they are brave. Or that is a nice house. Then how we use the adjectives? That we always write the adjective just in front of the verb to be with is, are, or in the past tense was or were. ¿Vale? Then these adjectives are, remember, are used to describe a noun. In this case, we're describing the dog. How is the dog? The dog is pretty. ¿Sale, vale? Then we have also another way to write it before the noun. It is a pretty dog. Then if we are not using the first one with the state as a state of being, like is pretty, then we need to locate always the adjective before the word we are describing or we are modifying, like in this one, it is a pretty dog. Then the adjective most of the time precedes the noun. Well, that is all. I hope that is useful for you. You can find me in social media, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Thank you very much.